Hello everyone. In this video, I will let you know the pros and cons of joining a coaching center for UPSC preparation, and I will make you differentiate between the expectations that you have before joining the UPSC coaching and the reality that you experience there. So let's start the video. Firstly, we will discuss about the benefits of taking coaching. Coaching gives you a right direction towards your goals and helps to make your concepts clear, and you get a better understanding of the concepts and understand the subject in a holistic way. There will be at least 20 to 30 faculties, each carrying their own personality, which helps you grow further and develop your personality in a better manner. Next, the thought process that you are carrying now versus the thought process you will carry after getting coaching, you will see immense difference between both. If you join a offline coaching center either in Delhi or any other capital city, you will be able to experience the diversity of India, as there are students from across the nation and from every state and each corner of the country. Next, from regionalism or parochialism, there will be a practical shift towards nationalism. There will be peer groups who will help you grow further, as nothing can help one grow as like their peer group can help. And coaching reduces your efforts. Let's say if you are going to prepare through self study, the time that you will require to cover 100% of the syllabus through self study, coaching will let you complete that in less than 20% of the time. Lastly, coaching helps to regularize your schedule, whether it is time management or dividing the time between various subjects to study and how to prioritize and which subject is to prioritize. Next, the hated aspects of the coaching, and there are lacunas that we will discuss here. सबसे पहले लो टीचर स्टूडेंट रेशो. You go to any famous coaching center in Delhi. I myself have taken coaching where there was a class of at least 500 to 600 students, and teacher used to come, deliver lecture, and then go away. If students have any doubt, teachers have no time for that. Next, their daunting fee structure. Everyone knows that their fee structure ranges between 1,60,000 to 2 lakhs. Then they do skip various topics from the subject. They will deliver content only and no mentorship to address the basic doubts of students. And above all, first attempt में whenever a person comes to start his or her UPSC journey, he or she doesn't even know what are the doubts that he have and what he or she should ask from the mentors or teachers. So there is something that we feel backward at. Lastly, you are just a credit line for them. That's it. Now, how these coachings attracts us. सबसे important, topper stock. You will see so many coaching centers using the hoardings and the poster of the same person and the same topper again and again. My story, when I started UPSC journey. I went to KSG IAS after watching Tina Davi's interview. Then ALS IS after scrolling through so many Quora answers and YouTube videos. Lastly, I asked some of the students studying in the ALS IS. Those students asked me to go to Karol Bagh's most reputed coaching of the time, that is Vajiram. And after further search, I found out that this was the institution where so many toppers have come from. Lastly, toppers talk में toppers को highlight किया जाता है as someone who will be having Z plus security. You can see so many short videos or entry videos of toppers where even these coaching centers will guard by so many bodyguards that they will make a topper feel just like someone who is a very high official. And this is all what they do for raising or increasing their reputation only, so that a new crowd gets attracted towards them and they get a new credit line for them. ओवरऑल एनालिसिस की अगर हम बात करें तो यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन needs right guidance from the right person, no matter whether the person is a qualified candidate or he is not qualified, the civil services. For example, you will see that most of these coaching centers and the reputed teachers that they have are themselves not qualified in the UPSC. Now, why there is this lack of guidance despite so many coachings being there? Every teacher here knows that what it takes to clear the UPSC exam. But these teachers will never discuss everything at one place. Why? As that would not serve their purpose to maximize their profits. Then अगर वो एक जगह सारी guidance दे देते हैं and if they say that even without coaching that this exam can be cleared, how will they maximize their profits then? Lastly, what needs to be done? जो toppers जो होते हैं who have qualified, before going to Labasana they have at least 3-4 months left. That time they should guide aspirants freely on YouTube itself. This guidance must include talks about their low phases as well, as when they become toppers and when they qualify the exam, they just highlight the positive aspects, but they never highlight the negative aspects that they face, ranging from fear, anxiety, lack of self-confidence, and so many more things. Veterans who have not qualified but they know what is the right thing to do, they should definitely help their juniors regarding something they are good at, be it answer writing or previous year question analysis. Last and the most important thing is the reputed personalities that the teachers we admire for. They should come forward and discuss everything at one place, starting from the UPSC journey without coaching to the answer writing for mains, mental health, and many more such issues. If they tell aspirants that UPSC can be cleared even without coaching, that can save someone from the middle class getting into this debt trap. Lastly, I had no motive to criticize any coaching or any topper. My purpose is simple, is to let those from lower middle class know that you do not need to be prey to this debt trap policy of coachings. You can definitely clear this exam with the right guidance and vigor, provided you have someone to show you the right path. I hope whatever I have discussed in this video will let you make a difference between joining the coaching and the expectation that you have from the coaching and the reality you experience. And I hope that you will be able to make a decision whether you have to go for offline coaching or manage this exam through self study. I hope I could answer all of your doubts. Thank you so much.